माइक्रोस्कोपिक दुनिया को देखने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ। नंबर 1 देखो।
Let me check the sound. Hello. I think the sound is coming. Let me check the sound. Yeah, it's fine. So yeah, hi, hello everyone. So today, hi Skadush, happy new year. So happy new year everyone, and let's discuss again what we are expecting next and what we discussed earlier. Okay, so again, let's go to a channel and Telegram channel. So the last day I clearly told that 18,200 both side short positions are getting built up. Okay, ठीक है, तो मतलब दोनों साइड पोजीशंस बिल्डअप हो रहा था, कोई मतलब डाउट नहीं था. तो क्या हुआ कि उस दिन मार्केट गिर गया, सो मार्केट फेल. ओके, so that day market fell, though both the sides put writing positions were being done. Okay, and clearly I told you in my video that day here in this one that sorry, not this one, this one, that is put buying is going on, but the main objective was that they have, I mean the FIIs, they haven't still yet made a huge position, so we are not going to see a huge fall in a short term. But what they are doing is they are buying puts in the monthly option chain. We clearly discussed that, and why they are doing that we also discussed that, because they want to create their positions, right? They have closed almost all their positions, so futures positions they have to build up, option chain positions they have to build up. So I clearly said in this video that at least give them 1 week, okay, so that they could make their position and take the decision and make the position. Okay, for now, yes, they are buying in the, even today they bought in the in the monthly option chain. Okay, so 18,200 at one point I noticed that 18,200 PE they bought around so it was around this time they bought around 224. Okay, so 223 to 224 they bought it, they were buying put. So yes, now I'll show you with data. Okay, so nothing to worry about, so I'll show you with data. So yes, so that's the thing we discussed. Now also now today morning, okay, today morning I told clearly that first it will try to give exit to the put writers at 18,200. So so this, look at the time, it was 9:25. Okay, so 9:25 market was around here, so this is the candle 9:20 to 9:25. Okay, then it came down. Okay, and already I several times I told you that 18,084 will act as a support. Okay, until unless it's broken it will act as a support, and nicely like it came very near to it and then got the support and went up. Okay, so I clearly said that it will go up, and Nifty did go up till 18,200. Okay, so that's the thing, like 18,200 put writers were waiting, so it did when it go up. But इधर आके क्या हुआ कि मतलब निफ्टी इधर आया था, so Nifty even did not go above this level, but Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also we clearly discussed the last day, that is 43,000. Where did it go? Somewhere, I exactly don't remember. Even I said in the video also, I think let me see, 43,000. Okay, 43,000 call writing was being done in Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty reached 43,000. So let me just show you. During that time Bank Nifty did reach above 43,000. So reaching 43,000 and above, it got resistance. Why? Because we clearly analyzed the previous day 43,000 call writers were present. Okay, so now today it got resistance there, so it tried to come down, and then Nifty also tried, but Nifty went a little up till 18,200 to give further exit to the put writers, and then it came down till again 18,127. Okay, and this sell on rise message, I clearly shared it with you at 10:18 a.m. on Twitter. So the Twitter members, yes, I for the with the members I clearly shared it in the morning, but Twitter members 10:18 a.m. So even after that, if you look at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty fell more than 250 points. Okay, 10:18 is almost here. Okay, so after that also it's like 43,280. So from there also it went to 43,047. Okay, so I mean I think almost 250 points. Okay, and that's the thing. And I notified the members when it was above 43,000 Bank Nifty. So it was a clear cut signal. Yes, Bank Nifty fell, but Nifty compared to that did not fell much. So that's the thing. So yes, why we will discuss. So I think at least I should I should expect one like for the sell on rise thing in the morning, because even in Nifty also, what would you have done if you had bought Nifty, then just a certain up move and then again downfall, right? So you this fall you can very see it's a nice downward slope, though it did not continue, but it's a nice downward slope. So in this thing you can only do sell on rise. Okay, but yes, Bank Nifty gave a very nice slope. So it went almost near to its next support 43,000, as as we discussed. Okay, so 43,000 is the next is the support for Nifty, and morning also it took a nice support there. Okay, so yes, all this we discuss, and even the indicators, let's go and check. So even in, let me show you, even in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty like the score increased, okay, in the morning, and then you can very well see gradually the score started decreasing from 10 a.m. and onwards. Okay, so here the score gradually started decreasing, and then I clearly said that like it will be on a sell on rise. Even Bank Nifty went above, like here you can see for 43,000 and 300 and above. So I mean it was a clear. So as soon as it went above 43,300, you can very well see that 40, where did it go? 43,000. 43,300. Yeah, 43,300. I mean, score started falling. Okay, and things came into the neutral zone, and then again it went to the negative zone. So yes, that's how it went with the indicators. Also, the indicators gave the clear signal, and Nifty also, like the first up move will come. There was a clear signal, and then the score were not showing further strength. Okay, they were decreasing. So that's how, I mean, I got to also know that this thing, that is the first, the things will go up. Okay, so that is also a somewhat a psychological thing, how you can think how the big players will be playing. Okay, so that's how I decided, like first it will be going up, and then we will have sell on rise. So after that rise we did again sell on rise. So that was almost the day. Like I mean, in this zigzag day, you can't, if you do over trading, you would be killed. Okay, so that's it for today, and now let's discuss the next thing. Yeah, so the next thing is this, that is today's end of the day data. So if you notice here that futures long positions are being closed. Okay, though in small quantity but still being closed. Future short positions built up, okay, but not in huge quantity. Okay, and in option chain, if you notice that this put writing has been done. Okay, so put writing has been done, but also for them put buying also has been done for hedging purpose, and also somewhat call writing has also been done, and those call writing has been hedged. Okay, now notice one thing, that for this amount of call buying, okay, so one thing the FIIs also do is that the future short positions, okay, the future short positions they are building, they also try to hedge them with their call buying positions. Okay, so if you notice clearly that the amount of call writing that has been done today, a little bit more of call buying has been done. Why? Because to hedge these future short positions. Okay, so that's it. Now you think that for this quantity, this is the amount of, I mean, for this quantity of call writing as well as those future short, this is the amount of hedge for the call buying positions. Okay, now for just these I mean put writing positions, which is even lesser in quantity than the call writing positions, for them such a huge quantity of put buying. Why? Okay, so it's, I mean, there is some quantity which is, I mean, more than required to hedge, right? So that gives us a hint. Like even the last day we have seen that the thing is they are having these put buying positions, and I clearly told you that these put buying positions are not in the current expiry, they are in the monthly expiry. Okay, and these put writing positions that they are doing, they are in the current expiry. Okay, so in the current expiry, that's what I'm saying, like they would try to consolidate the market, and they would try to build their positions for the final show. Okay, so yes, and if you, even if you look at Propdex data, so Propdex also have done call put writing, and they have also increased their call writing position. So I would again strictly go with the call writing position. So I would just wait for any rise, and then I would just go for sell on rise. Okay, or you can go a little bit out of the, you don't, I mean, suppose you're waiting for the rise and the rise did not came, it fell. Okay, so then you would just regret. Okay, so for those, if you can't decide whether rise will come or not, so what you can do is you can go a little bit out of the money and do call writing position, call writing. Okay, so let's go to the option chain to discuss this further. Meanwhile, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So even if you look at FII is today selling, so this is nothing. I mean, even like the buying and selling quantity also, you see it's nothing compared to the other days. Okay, so they are totally absent. Like they, as I already told you, that give them at least 1 week, then you will see their original colors or their true colors. Okay, so yeah, yes, so this is where our option chain is. So option chain, you see that yes, call writing is being done. Okay, and put writing is also being done. So please be careful. And also I would like to notice, I would like to take your attention to some where like 18,000 during the daytime, when market was above like at 18,200 in the morning, I was clearly watching these 18,000 call writers. Okay, so at first I saw that it was change in OI was 4.5 lakhs, then it went to 5.8 lakhs, then when it went down, so then the the call writers, some of them closed and some are still left. Okay, so yes, that also clearly gave me the sign that things are going to go down. Okay, after Nifty going above 18,200. Okay, so 18,200 call writers are there, 18,300 call writers are there. Okay, but you will see that they are closing. So but the thing is that, I mean, let it rise. So if they're closing, this is just to hit the stop loss of the small ones, but the big players are still there. So if there is a nice rise, just go for sell. Okay, so that would be good enough. And also like 18,400 and 18,350, there are call writers present, and also some put writers are also present here. So please do watch carefully tomorrow. And also you have Nifty expiry, so first sudden up move can come and then down move, or down move up move. Market will be market can be volatile. Okay, so that's one of the scenario. Like all is basically concentrating around 18,200. So 18,200 is a very special point or level for Nifty. Okay, so even if we go to 1-day chart, let's see what are our next resistance point. So the next resistance point is at 18,335. Okay, so that's our next resistance point for Nifty. And if you go for Bank Nifty, So Bank Nifty, yeah, so this is the support zone. Then I mean, then the next resistance point, you can take it as the all-time high. Okay, so that's it. And let's go to the Bank Nifty also, option chain. So yes, Bank Nifty 43,300. Okay, you can very well clearly see, like I mean, yeah. So Bank Nifty, more call writing is being going on. Like you can very well see that 43,000, then 43,200. Okay, so all these are call writing is being going on, and also put writing has also started at 43,200. Okay, and also at 43,300. So for again for Bank Nifty, the main point is 43. The special point is 43,300. Okay. So tomorrow again, let me tell you, anything can happen. Like market will be almost like I mean, it's not like 300 points up or something, almost range bound, but volatility will be there. Sudden up move and then again finally down move can come. So please be careful, okay? Because we have Nifty expiry tomorrow also. So that's also one of the reason. And yes, and I would again request you, wait, have patience. FIIs are not there, so market is like market will just consolidate. Okay, so it won't show any huge move, it will just consolidate and let them take their positions, and then you can grab the opportunity. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. If you have any queries or questions. So yeah, you don't have any queries or questions, then I'll end it here. And also in the overall market, if you look at this advance to decline, so advance is more than decline, but again during the intraday nothing could be said. Suddenly anything, the data could totally change. So yes, I hope I think you have you did like my prediction today. So please do like the video if you want such predictions even in the future. And yes, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one. Yeah, hi Kiran. Yeah, hi, happy new year, Kiran. Yeah, thanks. I wish you and your family also a happy and prosperous new year. So yeah, thanks everyone. Yes, so that's what, give them 1 week, okay? At least give them 1 week. Then their true colors you can see. So because you can very well clearly see, like even from this data also, it's clearly showing, like you see if you just, let's go to the other days, okay? So just go to the December, okay? So December, if you itself see, like they bought and sold like 4,000. So 2,000 crores is at least like the minimum barrier for them, you see here. Okay, so I mean you can very well see the data here. 2,000 I mean is at least the minimum barrier. So here today's data, like you can very well see that, I mean they bought even for just 1,381 crores and sold 191 crores. So it clearly shows that they are not into the market. So yes, so let them come back, okay? So and then yeah, but yes, please do note that monthly option chain buying is still going on, okay? So Nifty, I was just checking the premiums of Nifty during the market hours. So what I noticed today, let me tell you that 18,200 PE. So this is not the monthly. So yeah, so 18,200 PE. Okay, so the price came down to 214, but during the day they did buy it at 224 rupees. Okay, so then it went up. Okay, then it went up quite a lot, because when Nifty fell, so it went up, and then again when it came up, so the price decreased, but from that point it did increase. So yeah, please keep an watch. And also one more information I forgot to mention in the last video, but I mentioned it in the comments of the last video because one person did ask me that what was their average price of buying. So last video, as I also told, that 18,000 put buying is going on. So 18,000 put buying, so they did it at 142 or 45 rupees. Okay, so even when in the morning the price of 18,000 PE, when it came near to this 150 rupees, then suddenly like Nifty was getting resistance. Okay, so let's see, I think they can further average it out and then finally take it down, but this is the price where they have like bought it, or it's below the 18,000, it's still at their price level. Okay, so this is the buying of the previous day. Okay, I'm not telling for today, of the previous day. So they are still at no loss no profit there. So let's see what happens during the next few days. So yeah, so I would again suggest that stick to the call writing positions. Okay, so ultimately whether it goes up, it has to come down. Okay, you have to have patience, but suddenly if they decide to make a profit with their put buying positions, then they would take it down, and it won't come up. Okay, so but if it goes up, it will come down because the prop decks and the FIIs, they are having call writing positions. Okay, and especially the FIIs also are having some put buying positions in the monthly option chain. So high probability that if it goes up, it will come down. So that's why I'll stick to the call writing positions. Okay, so yeah, and especially in Bank Nifty, more call writing has been done. But Bank Nifty, again, if Bank Nifty shows huge volatility like plus 500, then minus 500, so people will be thrown out. So it's a little bit risky, but Nifty at 18,300, it's very safe to go for call right. Okay, so yeah, that's what my suggestion would be, Skadosh. And yes, they have done put writing also. So if you want to take a little bit of risk, then you can also go with the put writing. If you see that suddenly some drop came, then you can like go with put writing positions, because they would again take the index up. Okay, because to be very safe, you can just short at 18,000 put, because 18,084, if it breaks, then you close your put writing positions. So I'm telling like who wants to be safe, who wants to take trade safely. So for them, I'm saying this. Yeah, this is the option chain. So 18,000, I think. So let's go to the. So for me, 18,000 would be like a clever one, but again, premium is very less there. It won't interest you. So 18,050 also, like it might work. It has a nice premium. Okay, so yes, and also don't forget to hedge it. Okay, but if you see a nice drop like till 18,100, then you can go for put writing. Okay, because the put premiums will increase, and then they have to again take the market up to save their put writing position. So for this week, okay, or for 1 or 2 more days. So that's what my conclusion would be. So in any scenario, I mean, you should think like how you can trade. If it goes down, then put writing. If it goes up, then call writing. Okay, so that's how you have to play this market. Okay, so yes, please do like the video if you liked all the informations that I shared with you, and please do share it among your friends. I'm really having a difficult time to grow. Though I'm trying my best. So yes, if you think you need some more in any other way I can help during these videos, with the index basically. So I don't track the stocks, so with this index, so I would be glad to help. But yeah, till then,